Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you add bots to your Discord server. So let's get right onto it. So I also teach you guys how you can categorize the bots. So for example, this one, they will have the bot here, table bots. So you can know the and differentiate the members and the bots. So to add categories for them, you have to go over to the roles on the Discord server settings. So go over to server settings and go over to roles, and let's create a new role. So let's choose this one, and you can label them whatever you want. So bots, and you should have a different and unique color for this. So for example, this one, bots. You can also choose an image for that if you want. And for this one, you need to make sure that allow anyone to at mention this role is not uh, ticked on, because if you tick this on, then the members will be able to mention the bots. So we don't want that. And for this one, display role members separately from online members. You need to check this on, because if not, they will not be categorized like I demonstrated to you earlier, like I pointed to you out earlier. So make sure this is checked. After that, you just have to click on save changes. And by the way, if you want to hide the bots, you can have the option to disable it if you want that. But for now, we want to categorize them, so let's enable it. So save changes. So let's escape here. And for us to add the bot, you need to have a website in order for the bot to be added. So for this example, let's use top.gg, and let's choose a random bot right here. So if you've already picked a bot, you just have to click on invite here. And for this one, you need to be uh, signed in to your Discord account. So let's sign into it. Okay, so after signing in, you need to add and select the server. So let's use the server right there. Continue, and for this one, you can confirm or grant the bot to the following permissions on your server. So it is all up to you, and just click on authorize. Just complete the captcha right here. Okay, so let's check on our Discord app to see if it is added. So as you can see, it's now added. And to be able to categorize that, you can go over to the server settings again, go over to members, and let's just add that to our bots right here. So okay, so let's, as you can see, the bots are now categorized, so you won't get confused on your server. So after that, you can now um, use your bot to your advantage. So you just have to check the official website of that bot for that, and you should be good to go. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.